These are some of my favourite books. I love photography books, and a bunch of these are photography books. But for me, it's also about the subject matter. So I'm a huge fan, I'm a huge music fan. So I love the music photography of the 50s, late 50s, 60s, 70s, everything that was done with the Beatles in Hamburg, but all of that kind of a thing. About being inspired. You know, it doesn't really matter what I'm inspired by. It's just that feeling of being inspired. One of the things that I own, or a collection of things, or some things that I own, are my photography books, and I wouldn't want to part with those. I love them. When I get my boat, I'm gonna have them all out. At the moment, I've got them stacked up. But I do have a whole bunch of other books, but these are kind of my photography books. Well, most of them. This is what inspires me. Through the window, straight from the sun above, and so inside my little room there plunged the rays of love. In streams of light I clearly saw the dust you seldom see, out of which the nameless makes a name for one like me. I'd like to say a little more. Love went on and on, until it reached the open door, then love itself was gone. All busy in the sunlight, the flecks did float and dance, and I was tumbled up with them in formless circumstance. Then I came back from where I'd been, my room, it looked the same, but there was nothing left between the nameless and the name. I'll try to say a little more. Love went on and on, until it reached an open door, then love itself was gone.